Hi, I'm Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour. Today I will be taking you through a new spin, teaching you how to make beaded yarn. Here I have prepped about 108 beads, beaded pieces. I use a glass seed bead, the glass bead, teardrop bead that is a 4mm hole, and I bought myself one of these. If you're going to do a lot of beading, you need to get yourself one of these. It has a little tiny crochet hook right on the tippy tip, like a crochet hook, but it's for beading. It's for grabbing that fibre and pulling it through the bead, so it's a bit easier. Now, I like to strip little tiny bits of fibre, and with the little hook you want to grab it and then grab your bead, bring it up and pull it through. You could probably get a little bit thicker than that, but it doesn't matter. I prefer having it this thin, so when I'm adding it to the yarn, it's not a huge bobble where the bead's been placed. In this video, I will be sharing how to spin and prep beaded yarn. So if you've ever wanted to learn how to make beaded yarn, then hopefully in this video you'll be able to make your own afterwards. Feel free to get yourself a coffee or a tea, sit down and have a craft while you watch me, because this one is going to take a while. I just spent 4.5 hours prepping the beads. I've got 3 layers here. Each layer is separated with plastic bag so they don't get tangled. They are so pretty. It does take a very long time to prep, but it is so worth it. This colorway is called Love is in the Air. So I want to spin this as a 4-ply. So I'm gonna have to have pretty thin strips, because this fiber always wants to spin up as an 8-ply. It is so soft, but it is quite thick. I just had some silk go up my nose. It's the worst part about working with really silky stuff. About that thickness, maybe a little bit thinner. So what am I doing? Before you start anything, you need to prep all of your fibre, and then you start spinning and you don't have to stop halfway through. So I'm stripping it up in thin strips ready for a 4-ply weight yarn, fingering weight. You can just spin it from your roving as it comes, but I find this a lot easier when you want to achieve thinner finish. So I'm going to add it to my leader. I will work on adding a bead every probably every 50 centimeters of yarn. And get your tension right first. If it's pulling too hard, too fast, and it feels like it's going to slip out of your hands, it's too tight. So just loosen it up slightly. My wheel is very old, so it is very chatty. Alright, I am going to add a bead. So, pull the outside so it is continued to the desired weight. You want it to be the same thickness as what you're spinning. So you run your hands down. This is where your bead is. Yeah, see it? Little purple bead. And you will have a little layer of thread, yarn over the top of the back of your bead, and that will keep it in place. Oh, this is so pretty. It looks so beautiful. I can't wait for this yarn to be finished. In second half, I will be plying it and finishing it. Hope you stick around for the second half. Bye for now. Hi, I'm Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour. Today is part 2 of the beaded yarn. So I've got this one. Can you see that? Is it blurry? That's what it looks like. Sort of. I don't think the colour is showing up properly on this. And it feels very dark in here. But this one is actually fluoro green, fluoro pink, magenta, purple and blue. And I've used 3 different colours of beads. I got blue beads, magenta beads and purple beads. But I don't know why it looks so grainy. Maybe it's just on my other screen. But I apologize if that is blurry. I am going to ply this up now, and I've chosen a 4-strand Italian silk and metallic thread, commercial thread, this one, to be plied up with it, but it's actually a lot lighter apple color. You can see the sparkle. It's so pretty. So these are going to go together, and I decided to spin this up for my mum for Mother's Day. So this is Mum's Mother's Day present, and I hope you're all enjoying the little videos and tips and tricks that I've been doing on Instagram and on my Facebook page. So let's get started.